thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us today. Could you please introduce yourselves?
For sure. My name is Fabian Stöcker from SCHOTT Pharma. I'm Senior Vice President for one of our two segments, which is called Drug Containment Solutions.
Thank you. So my name is Mauro Stocchi. I'm the Chief Business Officer in Stevanato Group.
My name is Lucas Burkhardt. I'm a member of the management board at Gerresheimer.
Mauro, what are the rationales behind the Alliance for RTU?
So first of all, I would like to say that cooperation within our industry is quite common. In our opinion, pharmaceutical companies just started to realize, to understand, and also to experience the full value of ready-to-use vial and cartridges. So as primary packaging manufacturers, we are joining forces because we recognize the significant added value that RTU solution brings in compared to bulk products. And this is mainly valid in three areas. So the first one is an improved integrity and safety for the drug product. The second one is actually an overall higher efficiency of the manufacturing process. This I mean on the fill and finish line. And then the third is a higher sustainability of the solution. So back to the question, the purpose of the RTU Alliance is really to make pharmaceutical industry more and more aware of the advantages and the huge benefit of the RTU vial and cartridge solution. To complete the picture, I also would like to mention that each member of the RTU Alliance is actually keeping its own value proposition, individual value proposition in front of the customers. And the only thing that put us in common is really the advantage that we can provide through RTU cartridges and vials, which is, by the way, recognized by the pharmaceutical companies that already adopted the solution.
Following on from that, Fabian, what's the vision of the Alliance for RTU?
The vision for the Alliance of RTU is basically to make ready-to-use vials and ready-to-use cartridges a real market standard, like we have with ready-to-use syringes today. To do that, we need to unlock basically two key benefits that companies have from this concept. The one is simplification of the supply chain. So basically we are taking parts from the value chain of our pharma companies out that they should not care or cannot care of because it's just costly, time sensitive, and quality critical. This is being passed on, like talking on washing processes, siliconization processes. That's number one. And number two, we talk about flexibility. So how to flexibilize the supply chain. So if you think about that, you can flexibly change your container type, like syringes, vials, or cartridges, in a very fast time, you can quickly react to market and changing market demands, which we expect basically happening every day.
And lastly, Lucas, why do you believe RTU is the future for the industry?
Thanks for this question, because we believe there are a lot of benefits, like Mauro and Fabian already mentioned. There is a clear value proposition, that we have better quality, better sustainability, lower total cost of ownership, higher flexibility, but also lower time to market at the same time. And that is a clear benefit for all our customers, the fill and finish companies. And that's why we believe it will happen, and we are ready, the customers are ready, and I think there is a clear vision and a clear trend towards the RTU platform for vials and cartridges, as it happened already in syringes before. So we are very optimistic that it's going to happen very soon.
Thank you very much for joining us here today.
Thank you very much.